guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my November update to the Throwback 30 project pan. So if you want to see the progress we've made on all the items I've been working on, then let's go ahead and get right on into it. Okay, we have a lot of rollouts and items that have been decluttered due to my declutter series, which you guys will be seeing over the course of the next month or so. So, a little bit of a spoiler, but let's see. If you don't know anything about this project, I'm getting ahead of myself. This is a Pantastic Ladies Collab and was created by Jessica Lee that goes from July 28th of 2025 to July 28th of 2026. Since you can't be a part of every single project, the group Pantastic Ladies, we vote on the top 30 projects that go into this project so that you can just be a little part of each of them. So I randomized a prompt for each project that I could, and I randomized my uses for the prompts as well. And yeah, I think that's about it. So for the prompts that I was still working on, because we've rolled out a lot already, Birthstone Beauty. I had in the Cosmic Beauty Serenity palette, and I've been working on the shade Opal, which is this shade right here. It's on my inner corner today. I hope you can see that little dip in the center there. We're getting a little dip. I have a 14 use goal, and I have used it twice over the last month. And we're sitting at 9 out of 14 uses. So, you know, if I push, I could get it done in the next month. If not, it'll be 2 months worth of use, I would assume. But we're getting there, 9 out of 14 uses. So, not too shabby. I really like the shade. I think it's gorgeous. If you pair it with blues, it pulls blue. If you pair it with greens, it pulls green. It's just a stunning, stunning shade. So 9 out of 14 uses on Birthstone Beauty. It's panning cats and dogs. I had in the Jeffree Star lipstick and Bricked Up. I decluttered that. It was time for it to go. I had the stopper pulled out and it just wasn't getting anything on the wand anymore. So I used it 8 out of the 15 uses, so I'm calling that a goal met. So it's Panning Cats and Dogs is done. So that's it for that page. Then we have That's So 2000s. So I brought in my Jeffree Star highlighter in Ice Cold, and as you can see, I'm making quite a dip up here at the top. I'm also wearing this today as my highlighter. I have a 15 use goal on this guy. I have used it 4 times over the last month, and I am sitting at 11 out of 15 uses. This should be a rollout for next month, especially at that going rate. So that shouldn't be too bad. Beauty A to Z, I was working on the letter D, so I had in the Natasha Denona eyeliner in the shade Taupe, which is just this dark taupe color. I had a 14 use goal. I had used it 4 times over the last month, and I met my goal way back in October, on October 11th. I met my goal like 2 days after I filmed the last update, which is how this goes usually. So this was a goal met and a roll out. Love this eyeliner. I love this Natasha Denona eyeliner formula. I need more of them. Then we have Nightmare on Panning Street. I had in the Nude Sticks stacks for 5 uses, but I decluttered that. Or at least I decluttered the part of it, but then I decided to just roll that out. But Because I only had one use, I decided to roll in something else for that prompt. So I rolled in my Nude Sticks Picante blush. It is an orange blush. It's got foundation on the top of it. Don't look at the top of it. And I have a 5-use goal on this guy, and I've used it twice. So we're sitting at 2 out of 5 uses on my Picante blush for Nightmare on Panning Street. Then That's Expensive was the Rhodial blush in Frosted Pink. I had an 8-use goal, and I decluttered this blush, but I met half of my usage goal. I got 4 out of my 8 uses, so I'm calling that a goal met. And I don't really have that many expensive products to roll in something else for That's Expensive, so I'm calling that one a goal met. So we're done with that one. For 50 Shades of Pink, as you can see, it's pink. But the lipstick itself is not. This is the shade Grave Digger from Jeffree Star. It is a gray. Love it. I have a 10-use goal on this guy. I've only used it once over the last month, but I'm sitting at 6 out of 10 uses, so we're over halfway there. It's probably going to be another couple months before that's done, but that is a-okay with me. I'm loving that lipstick so much. Probably could have worn it today instead of the lipstick I'm wearing, but I hit goal on this lipstick today. So, tomato, tomato. Then we have Disney Princess, and that was my Lock lipstick in the shade Turquoise. I decluttered that lipstick as well, and I got 3 out of 5 uses on that, so I'm calling that one a goal met. I'm not going to roll in something else for that prompt. Can you tell I'm done? I'm over it. So that one is done. That is a goal met. Then we had Lip Service. So this is from Fui. So this is one of their jelly pots. I thought this was one of the pudding pots, but I have been corrected. And this is one of the, I think it's either it's a glowy pot or it's like a jelly pot. It's their other version. And this is in Mellow Mango, and I had a 5-use goal on this, and I met my goal on the 11th of October. I used it all 5 times. I don't think it smells quite like mango, but it smells good. But it feels fantastic on the lips. I don't think I would use this on the cheeks, to be honest with you, but this is an amazing lip balm. And once I'm done with the lip balms that are currently on my desk, I'm going to put this back on my desk and use this because I miss having this out and using it. So that is a goal met. And I want more of those little Fui, because I know you can get Fui at Ulta now. So I hope you can get this particular line and not just the pudding pots, because I really, really like this. Then we have I Heart the 90s. So I brought in my Tula Eye Balm, and I got 8 out of 11 uses when I decided to declutter that. It bothered my under eyes a lot. So I decluttered that to a friend, but since I got over half my uses, I'm calling that one a goal met as well. And then we have Zodiac Project Pan. So I have, I believe, Pisces. So I'm working on the Blend Bunny Sugar and Grunge palette in the shade Ironic. This is the shade I'm working on. And I've used it once. I have a 14-use goal and I've used it 1 time. So not as good as the shade Opal, but better than the next one, 50 Shades of Yellow or Gold, the last item we're working on. And I'm working on, from the Cosmic Beauty Serenity palette as well, I am working on the shade Odyssey, which is this gold shade here. Haven't used it at all. It only has a 7-use goal, which is great, but I haven't touched it. So it is still sitting at 0 out of 7 uses. I need to get working on using these shades. I just need to remember that they're there. but we have some usage. We've rolled some things out. I'm pretty happy with the usage on the lipstick, the blush, the highlighter. Like, I'm really happy. The shade Opal, I'm really happy with the usage with what we're still working on. So, it's not too shabby. But that is going to do it for my update for Throwback 30 for November. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.